Welcome to another tutorial. As a solo app developer or development company, you know that Google now requires 20 internal testers to test the app before you can publish it. You can hire more than 20 testers from TaskyStore for very little cost, less than $10. In this video, I will show you how you can create a testing and feedback campaign to complete Google Play's internal testing requirements. So let's get started. To create a testing and feedback campaign, first click on the main menu and log into the dashboard. Now again, click on the main menu and then click Create Campaign. By default, a testing and feedback campaign is selected. Enter your internal testing link here. Put your app's name and package name in the respective input boxes. Choose the number of testers you want to hire. For this campaign, I chose 30. The steps for this campaign would be as you can see on the page. Now click on the Create Campaign button. You will see a success dialog. Click Show Campaign to see all the campaigns you have created. Then click the Details button. You will see all the freelancers below who applied to be the internal testers. Copy the email of the freelancer and add this email to your internal testers list in the Play console. Then confirm here that you have added their email. Freelancers will be notified about this approval, and they will join as internal testers and complete testing with screenshots. You will see feedback and screenshots here. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching the video.